In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and optimize a successful lead generation campaign using Meta Ads Manager. This step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to effectively attract and convert leads right on Facebook. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to Meta Ads Manager and click on the Create button. Here, you'll want to select the Leads objective. This choice is crucial as it allows you to generate leads directly on Facebook, funneling potential customers or clients right to your business. Now, it's time to name your campaign and its associated ad sets. A clear, descriptive name will help you stay organized, especially when managing multiple campaigns. Next up is choosing your budget optimization strategy. For lead campaigns, campaign budget optimization is often the way to go. This feature helps you manage and allocate your budget across your campaign for the best results. If your campaign falls into specific niches such as housing or employment, you'll need to select the appropriate special ad category. This step ensures that your ads not only comply with Meta's policies, but also target the right audience within these sensitive sectors. With the basic setup complete, let's move on to configuring your ad set. Start by defining your target audience. This is the stage where you decide who exactly you want to reach with your ads. You can select a custom audience, perhaps from an existing list of customers, or create a new one based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. The more precise you are, the more effective your ad delivery will be. Now, it's time to decide on your budget and schedule. Here, you can set a daily or lifetime budget and choose when you want your ads to run. This flexibility allows for strategic budgeting and timing, ensuring your ads reach people when they're most likely to engage. Then consider your ad placements. Automatic placements are often a great starting point as they let Facebook decide where your ads are likely to perform best. However, if you prefer more control, you can manually select placements that align with your campaign goals. Let's talk about designing your ad creative. You'll need to choose between using a single image or video or opting for a carousel format, which can be an engaging way to showcase multiple products or features. Your ad copy is equally important. Craft a compelling headline, a primary text that clearly communicates your offer, and a strong call to action that motivates viewers to take the next step. To maximize your campaign's effectiveness, consider employing the 3-2-2 method. This involves testing 3 different creatives, 2 headlines, and 2 text variations simultaneously. This method allows Facebook to allocate your budget to the combinations that perform the best. Once you've identified the top performers, remove the less successful variations and continue testing new ones. This ongoing refinement process helps keep your campaign fresh and effective without disrupting its learning phase. By following these detailed steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a lead generation campaign that not only reaches your target audience but engages them in a meaningful way. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your next campaign.